Hello my friends, this is Tony Z with another Tony Z tutorial. As you can see, as usual, this is not actually a tutorial, but a fast motion video of me editing my camera and tripod out of a bathroom mirror. Something that happens a lot as a real estate photographer. It's annoying. It's fun. It's fun and annoying. And this is how I do it. Or this is how I did it today anyway. Every time is different. Look at that. We did it. Success. Before, after. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Like and subscribe for more tutorials and other stuff by me, Tony Z.